Let's solve this inequality. X squared minus x minus 12 is less than 0. So let's factorize this. Think of two numbers or two factors of negative 12 such that when you multiply, you get negative 12. When you add these two numbers or factors, you get negative 1 here. What can we think of? Quickly, that will be minus 4 and 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 because the coefficient of x here is minus 1. And minus 4 times 3 is what? Minus 12. So we have already gotten the two factors. Now let's open two brackets. Of course, less than 0. So x is what? Minus 4. And x is what? Plus 3. Now this is where many students miss it. They don't know whether to say x is greater than 4, x is less than 3, or negative 3. They really do not know how this can be done. But I'm going to use number line to explain how you can then write out the solution of this inequality. So if I draw this number line, look at this, x minus 4, x plus 3. If this were to be an equation, you know, if you move plus 3 over, you get minus 3. So let's put minus 3 here. And if you move minus 4 over, you get plus 4. So let's put plus 4 here. So we want to know which of these regions satisfy this inequality. Is it this region, the one at the middle, or this one? Now let's put this here, which means it is strictly less than. If it was also equal to, I would have shaded it, but I'm not shading it now. Okay? Now, we can pick any number, any whole, let's just use a whole number that can be gotten from this region. Let's pick 5. Let's just say 5. So plug in 5 into this. If it gives you a number that is less than 0, then this region is also satisfied by this inequality. The values here satisfy this inequality. So let's use 5 into this. This will be 5 minus 4, and then 5 plus 3. Now what's 5 minus 4? That's 1, right? And what is 5 plus 3? That's 8. 1 times 8 is what? 8. Is 8 less than 0? No. So we can put no here. This does not satisfy this inequality. Let's test this other one here. So what should we use? We can use, let's use minus 4. Okay. So again, plug in minus 4 into this. That minus 4. And then what? Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 is what? That's minus 8. Minus 4 plus 3 is what? Minus 1. Minus 8 times minus 1 is what? 8. Is 8 less than 0? No. So this is also what? No. So let's try this one here now. We can just use, let's use 0. We can use 0 here. Between minus 3 and 4, let's use 0. So put in 0. 0 minus 4 is what? Minus 4. 0 plus 3 is what? 3, right? Minus 4, 3 is what? Minus 12. Is minus 12 less than 0? Yes. So this region satisfies this inequality. Now to write out the solution, it now becomes x is what? Less than 4. X is also what? Greater than what? Minus 3. This is the range of values of x that satisfies this inequality. I'll see you in the next video.